right hand, underhand, left hand, overhand. Yes. Let me show it to you from the front. So right is under, left is over, and then you come across to the front into this fun little hybrid. And then you can do that in a turnaround, right? So if you're here on your left with your right hand underhand, left hand overhand, when the right one comes down, you let the left one catch up, and then you do the 4-petal turnaround with the right hand while the left hand does the, while the left hand continues to do the pendulum as you go around. Oddly, this is an instance where my right turn is better than my left turn. It's just a fun one. So as you come across the bottom this way, you're trying to get to the side point of the pendulum here. And then as the pendulum goes back the other way, you go up and left and then come across the bottom. So it's almost like doing a linear isolation pendulum across the top, followed by a long arm pendulum across the bottom. I feel like that's the easiest way to have the two hands together. So it's hand to hand. If you did it coming from your right, where the left hand was underhand and the right hand was overhand, and you have the left hand do the anti-spin and the right hand does the pendulum. So if I showed you that one, it would be from the front. It would be like this. Like maybe that one would be easier for you, where the right one is doing the pendulum and the left one is doing the anti-spin. So the hand that's on the front side is the underhand one, so that as you turn into it, it goes into anti-spin. You could also do the switch between the two of them, right? So if you, whichever way you start, let's say we'll start with your favored one, and then, which is where you come in like this from your right side, then you could switch the hand that's doing the pendulum versus the 4-petal, right? So this is my left hand doing the pendulum, and now that's my right hand doing the pendulum. I'm trying to find the easiest point to switch, which actually might be the side.